Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to do a new feature, fun words, and the word is pop. I guess it's just a fun word. Why pop? Because it's fun to say. 3 letters, oh so many meanings. Try and say it. Pop. You can't say pop without smiling. Pop. Come on. Pop. It's a verb. What does it mean? To make a light explosive sound. Pop. Whoo. Then we have to go somewhere for a short time without notice. Hey, we're going to go pop in on our friends over at the store. Got it? Then we have pop the noun. That means a light explosive sound. Did you hear the pop of the fireworks? Ooh, pop, 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 pop. Do you hear the pop? Yeah, I hear the pop. Then pop, another name for a carbonated soft drink, like a Coke or a Pepsi. Let's have a pop. I prefer to call it soda, but many people in America call it a pop. Pop is also an informal word for a father or dad. Yeah, like, hey, this is my pop. You know, instead of my dad. Pop. So, we have pop the verb, pop the noun, and pop the informal word for dad, and also pop the shortened version of popular for pop culture and pop music. Boom, that's a lot of pop. Now, why are there so many pops? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence. She and her pop heard the pops from the firecrackers as they drank their pop. What? Come on, English.